Hello everyone, this is from the RV Global. I am RK Singh, founder director of RV Global. Today I am coming up with few points which is going to explain why we should change our study pattern as well as the thinking about the education system. Since the corona effect came in India in the end of February or something in the March, slowly everything started changing. We can see now it has completely changed. All the coaching institutes, private tuitions, schools, colleges, universities, all are shut down. Now everything is going to become online. Even the exams like NEET, JEE Main, dates are still not finalized. It said it is to be in September, but it's not sure. Why it's like this? So only problem is the coronavirus, which is contagious disease for which we have to maintain the social distancing. We have to prevent its infection from one person to another person. So the time is almost going for the online education. It has started, and in the near future, in few months or maybe 1 or 2 years, it will be almost online. So if someone prepares from now, it will be very beneficial. So what are the things to be changed in the online education system? First thing, our thinking about the education. Now, the way we studied before, like dependent on the school teachers, school books, school materials, we have to change completely. We used to study one book, few subjects, one book for one subject. Teachers explained in the classroom, he gave the notes, we used to study that, and we wrote in the exam, we got marks, and we were happy. No, not like that. Now we have to study one textbook on your own. Then you have to search the net for the various references. You have to go in details, thorough concept, so that all the exams in the coming future is going to be completely changed. Everything will be based on the concept. Concept may be the new one or already existing one. For that concept, you need a good guide which keeps updated himself. If the guide is not updated, he cannot explain the concept part, especially the new one. So your main job is to look for a very good guide. I almost say like Lord Parshuram. Lord Parshuram was the incarnation of God. He used to teach the people who really deserve that. So you have to search for a good guide. It's not like you start searching and you will get a good guide. First thing, you start with a strong willpower that I have to do, and you start searching the knowledge on your own. Then only you will get a good guide. It's not like that you first get a good guide, then start studying. No. Once you have ambition, encouragement, dedication towards the knowledge, you will automatically get a good guide. The day you get a good guide, he will show you the correct path, and with the textbook and the various references through the internet. Of course, be careful while searching on the internet. Probably best universities professors like US MIT or Stanford, even India also IIT's professors. Be careful of the choosing the references. Like YouTube, 99% of materials don't deserve to be there. They are not fit for the students. So be careful, and that should be studied under a supervision of your parents or guide. So take care of all these things in this system and have a aim. If you have perfect goal, you should decide your goal, what you are going to do in your life. Without goal, your study is going to be in vain. First decide your purpose of your life and then follow. It doesn't mean that I say, okay, your aim is to become a doctor, and you started studying physics, chemistry, biology, and you could not got selection in NEET, so you are frustrated. No, doctor does not mean that only by this. Okay, you can go by the various means. Doctor, okay, you have not done this, you can go in the biomedical side. Somehow you will be connected with the medical field. So have ambition for that. Think about this. There are various possibilities. Only the treating the patient is not a part of doctor, but you can be part of the research, you can be part of the medicine manufacturing, you can be part of the latest development, and by this you can help the society also. So change yourself, because the things you are studying now, after 5 years, 70% of the things is going to be obsolete, and if you don't update yourself, you will be way behind the others. So keep updating, keep changing yourself, and follow the online pattern, and do like the persons who really guide you well. Thank you very much on the behalf of RV Global and this Guru Purnima. Again, I wish all the best to all the students. Thank you very much, and all the best for the upcoming exams. Thanks.